timbers," shouted Pirate Pooh when he woke up one sunny morning. "Blimey, what's up, Dad?" asked Cutlass Carey, his little girl. "It's your mother's 30th birthday tomorrow," said Pooh, "and this old sea dog hasn't made a fuss of her for far too long." Pirate Pooh looked longingly at the distant horizon. "We haven't sailed the 7 seas together since you was born," said Pooh. "I want to raise the Jolly Roger and take her for a spin on the high seas. It's time we went back to work." "But what about us?" asked Carey. "Ahoy there, shipmates, I've been thinking," said her dad. "We need to find childcare for you both, but don't tell your ma yet. It's our pirate surprise." "I don't want to. I want to stay with you," said Fearless Finn, Cutlass Carey's little brother. "Avast, Fearless Finn, I will find you the very best." Pirate Pooh set off to find someone to care for the children and thought it would be as easy as eating a ship's biscuit. He'd heard the crocodile looked after children, so he went straight to the steamy swamp and knocked. The door swung open and the crocodile looked surprised by Pirate Pooh, and his mouth looked full of dinner. "Avast now, Crocky," said Pooh. "I hear you take care of children, and I need someone to take care of my 2 young uns." The crocodile nodded his big head, and Pooh noticed there were children's coats and hats in the room. "Well, where's the children you look after?" asked Pooh. "I know there's children here. Speak to me." The crocodile looked up helplessly and opened his mouth to answer, but when he did, 10 children climbed out, giggling and laughing. "Great game, Crocky, let's do it again," said one of the children. "No," said Pirate Pooh. "Game's over. I'll be back to speak with you later, but now I have to find someone I can trust with my children." The pirate left and remembered there was a new robot in town that could do the jobs of many people, and he'd heard children loved going to her. He pressed the button on the door and a machine's voice spoke. "Robot here, how can I help?" "Avast there, Tin Woman. I want someone to look after my lovely young uns." "Enter," said the voice, and the door swished open. When he got inside, all the children were sat in rows watching screens and pressing buttons on their little pads. They wore earphones, and there wasn't a sound in the room. "Please leave times of dropping and picking up, children, then goodbye," said the robot. "No, wait a minute," said Pooh. Don't you want to know all about my little uns, what they like and don't like?" "Not necessary," said the robot. "All children follow routine and do as told. All eat what given from microwave." "Microwave? But my 2 love lava bread," said Pooh. "And they love to play. I'm sorry I can't leave them here." Pooh left feeling sad. It was so hard to find the right childcare. He noticed an advert in Captain Albacore's shop window. "Troll child minding. Putting your child's needs first." Pirate Pooh didn't want to leave his children with a troll, but he went under the bridge and he knocked. When the door opened, a lovely smell of warm bread filled Pooh's nostrils. "Hello," said the troll, smiling. "Are you looking for childcare?" "Aye, that I am," said Pooh. "But you won't eat the children, will you?" "Of course not," said the troll. "Children are the most precious thing in the world. I bet you've been worried trying to find the right care for them." "Well, shiver me timbers, I have actually," said Pooh. "Would you like to come in for a tot of tea and some lava bread biscuits?" Pooh smiled and entered the troll's wonderful home. She asked questions and he told her everything about his 2 children. The troll gave him a book to take home showing the things that she did with the children she looked after. When Pooh got home, the whole family was excited to look at the troll's book, and it told a story of real care. The next day, Pirate Pooh took his children to the troll's house under the bridge. Fearless Pin was nervous about leaving his dad. The troll said they were going to make his mum a birthday cake, but she didn't know what sort to make. "I can show you. She loves fish cakes," said Finn. "Excellent," said the troll, and they ran into the house to get started. They decided to go on a fishing adventure. They had great fun in the boat, and Cutlass Carey caught such a big fish they all had to reel it in together. They got messy making the cake, and then Mum and Dad arrived with a treasure chest full of gifts for everyone. Mum blew out the candles whilst they all sang to her. From that day on, when the children went to the childminder, they couldn't wait to get there, especially Fearless Finn. The end.